Hello my dear students, here is presented some examples to fill the proper form of the adjective in the comparative or superlative form, whatever is appropriate, is it? So in last videos we had done some practice also and I had explained you some example, practice example. Now here some more examples I explain you. I have already written the questions and the words adjectives are given in the bracket. We have to use proper form of the adjective, that is comparative or superlative we have to find. Number one is your mother dash now? The adjective is given good. So what will be there? यहाँ अभी आज ठीक है आपकी मदर कल के कंपैरिजन में. So good will be changed into better. Is it? Now the second is April and May are the dash months in the summer. The adjective is given you hot. So when the is there, we are using est, adjective plus est means superlative form of the adjective, that is hottest. Isn't it? Now the third is you need dash diet at present. Here the adjective is given nutritious. So what will we use? Here we will not use adjective plus er or adjective plus est. We will use here more because it is comparison. So we will use here more nutritious. More nutritious. Is it? I hope you are understanding that. Number 4 is our state is the dash state of India. Here it is given large. So what will be the appropriate degree will be there? It will be, because here is the, so we will use adjective plus est, that will be largest. Largest, isn't it? Next question is Manu's drawing is dash. Shanu's drawing is dash, but Rama's is the dash. Here we can make little change. Without change also we can do. Here because there is the 3 persons are there, we can use bad adjective is to be used. So when about only Manu it is told, that time we will use bad. Shanu's drawing is, now comparison between them, so worse. But Ranu's is the dash, bad. The est form of the bad or superlative form of the bad is worst, worst. Is that clear? Now number 6. The pen is dash then the sword. Here is a comparison between pen and the sword. The adjective is given mighty, and you might have noticed that when y is ending, the word is ending or adjective is ending with y, we are using IER by replacing y. So here comparative degree we will use mightier. Is that clear now? Now the question number 7. It was the article is given here, dash moment of my life I ever had. Here it is given proud. So which form of the adjective you will use? Yes, correct. It is adjective plus est, means superlative degree we will use proudest. Proudest. Now 8. Mac is the dash student in the class. The article is given. So which form of the degree? Superlative degree means adjective plus est. Here adjective is given tall. So we will use, what is the superlative form of the tall? Tallest. Yes. I hope you might have understood this. Thanks to watch my video. Now we will practice. Now my dear students, we have to practice to change the degree. Here I have written some of the question. That first is, planting is better than fighting people. Better than, it is showing that it is comparative degree. So you have to change it into positive degree. How will you change that? We will make the comparison into positive degree. That time we will write fighting people is not as good as planting. So we have changed it into positive degree. Now second is, a mother is more than earth. Here this is comparative degree. You have to change into positive degree. So you will write the earth is not as much as the mother. Isn't it? Now the next question is given that I shall answer them as well as I can. It is showing that this is positive degree. You have to change into superlative degree. So you can write, I shall answer them as the best of my level or best of my ability. This will be in, I should change the pen. It will be clear for you. I shall answer them to the best of my level or my ability or my capacity. Ability. Is that clear? Now the fourth question is, it is one of the most mysterious of nature's wonders. This is superlative degree. It seems now you have to change into comparative and positive degree. So to change into comparative degree, we will use it is more mysterious than other mysterious of nature's it is It is more mysterious than most of nature's other wonders. Is it? This will be the comparative degree. Now, superlative degree, positive degree. I will change the pen. Very few. Here, as I told you in the rules, one of the and adjective plus est, that time we in positive degree we will use very few wonders of nature are as mysterious as it is. Is it? Now we have changed it into positive degree also. The last is, he is one of the cleverest boy in the class. So change into positive and comparative both. First we will change into comparative. He is cleverer than most other boys in the class. And for positive degree we will use very few boys in the class are as clever as he is. Now, I hope you might have understood by this example. So, how to change the degree of comparison I have explained in detail.